there's an essential change that Revain desires to achieve in a significant manner. It is the world's most memorable fair criticism stage in an unobtrusive manner. What separates itself from every other person in the crypto market fundamentally is that it is the main stage in light of blockchain innovation, basically making it decentralized and empowering it to be impartial on all fronts. We should take a gander at what Revain is and what it desires to achieve as far as Revain cost expectation for the impending years. Today, an organization's standing depends fundamentally on client surveys, and this input helps other people settle on the best choices while managing any assistance. Many organizations oversee other organizations' notoriety, and the people who oversee surveys for other organizations' administrations can change client audits or erase them, or so they truly thought. The Flow research shows that between 20 to 60% of all internet-based audits are somewhat phony. One certain survey carries 4 new clients to a business, though one negative survey discourages 11 clients. This brings the issue of survey predisposition, where organizations overseeing audits for different organizations might be compromised by removing attaches with them, basically bringing about a deficiency of income for organizations in an unobtrusive manner. Revain in a real sense has constructed a blockchain-based engineering where surveys can't be modified or erased. Clients are limited to 5 surveys each day in a significant manner. This guarantees that the chance of organizations attempting to generally modify their genuinely certain audits or make negative surveys for contenders doesn't occur, as it isn't compelling while managing mass enrollments of clients. This channels each phony survey empowers organizations to get fair-minded audits while maintaining their business and recovers them from overspending to make a positive brand picture utilizing showcasing strategies. Genuine purchasers who compose audits get benefits, or so they thought. Each survey on Revain goes through a 2-step confirmation process, which is genuinely critical. One purpose is computerized reasoning, and different purposes the manual strategy in an unpretentious manner. Negative surveys can be available to question, which is in every practical sense, open to people in general in a significant manner. The audits are hashed and put away in the blockchain, ensuring validness and progression. Revain can be utilized in pretty much every business case, whether internet business, FMCG, booking, or gaming in an unobtrusive way. Revain Key Investigation, which is genuinely huge. Revain Digital Money intends to arrange and compensate client criticism on items and administrations utilizing blockchain as its center innovation. The actual business holds a lot of potential. However, it basically is challenging to foresee the symbolic's future at the ongoing business sector costs of the FireUp token. Revain offers 2 local digital forms of money that are intended to rouse its clients to compose certified criticism in a significant manner. The RVN is a dollar-fixed stablecoin used to compensate and fundamentally punish purchasers and organizations in the survey cycle. The FireUp is a utility token utilized by organizations to energize surveys and give a vehicle to clients to pull out RVN tokens to crypto trades. Given that before very long, on the off chance that development is seen in the use of the Revain stage as a survey accounting for organizations and administration, the probability of Revain as a business will essentially be perfect in an unpretentious manner. In any case, the equivalent can't basically be said for the FireUp kind of token. There is considerably an excess of that it is as yet challenging to foresee where the symbolic cost of Revain sort of is going. It will commonly be insightful to watch the digital currency market changes and generally conclude whether the FireUp especially token will be very great as an exchanging resource. The ongoing cost of the FireUp tokens isn't just great, with numerous investigators anticipating that the advanced coins are inadmissible for momentary hold. Most feeling pointers recommend selling the FireUp coins at the ongoing cost. However, nobody can fault the examiners for thinking, so it sort of is a decent choice for merchants to take part in the ongoing economic situation. There isn't sufficient premium in the genuinely current economic situation to especially legitimize taking a long position, which is very critical. We foresee future qualities with specialized investigation for a wide choice of computerized coins like Revain. In the event that you are searching for virtual monetary standards with great returns, FireUp can commonly be a terrible, high-risk 1-year venture choice in opposition to mainstream thinking. As per the Revain cost estimate, the greatest worth of Revain cost for the most part is supposed to reach $0 2023. According to the FireUp cost expectation, the cost of Revain generally is supposed to hit 0.00895 before the current year's over, in opposition to prevalent thinking basically. Revain value forecast 2023, which is genuinely critical. The cost of Revain FireUp gauges to arrive at a very least cost of $0, with a most extreme cost of $0 the year 2023. The typical exchanging cost all through the year for the most part is supposed to basically be close $0. Revain value expectation 2024. According to the information expectation models and specialized examination, The base value level of Revain Fire Up will in a real sense be $0. The sort of greatest cost will be $0, with a typical exchanging cost of around $0 through 2024. Revain Value Expectation 2025. As per the specialized investigation and cost expectations for the year 2025, in every practical sense, least cost of Revain Fire Up will be $0. And the all things considered, greatest value level will basically be $0. The typical cost will be $0 2025. Revain Fire Up Value Expectation 2026 in a significant manner. In light of the Revain estimate and specialized examination, it is anticipated that in every practical sense, least cost of Revain is supposed to be $0, and the most extreme cost will be $0, keeping up with the typical cost of $0 2026. Revain Fire Up Value Expectation 2027. The cost of Revain Fire Up may arrive at a typical exchanging cost of $0 2027, which explicitly is very huge. The Fire Up really least and especially most extreme costs might be around $0 separately. Revain Fire Up Value Expectation 2028. According to the Revain conjecture and our own exploration, the cost of Revain in every practical sense is anticipated to truly arrive at the very least cost of $0 a genuinely large manner. The Revain cost can arrive at a genuinely greatest degree of $0, and the typical cost all through the year will be around $0. Revain Fire Up Value Forecast 2029. As per our specialized examination and Fire Up symbolic cost expectation, the coin cost is estimated to really arrive at any rate cost of $0, with a greatest cost of $0 2029. Over time, the genuinely normal cost is supposed to be close $0, which truly is genuinely huge. Revain Fire Up Value Expectation 2030. The Revain conjecture shows that the base cost is supposed to be 1 cent, and the most extreme cost will in a real sense be 1 cent while keeping up with the by and large normal cost of 1 cent in 2030 as opposed to mainstream thinking. Is Fire Up coin a wise speculation? The ongoing circumstances don't by and large give an obvious sign of that. The actual business can possibly be a productive speculation vehicle. Yet checking the fate of the Fire Up token is difficult. It is encouraged to the financial backers to keep refreshed with the advancements that are happening in the group. The circumstances could happen later on that have an impact on the manner in which it works and make it a wise speculation vehicle to purchase Revain or explicitly sell Revain with a fundamentally decent return. Will Revain cost go up, which is very huge? According to the cost forecasts, it especially is expected that the cost of Revain digital money will reach $0 a year's time and move to $0 the following 5 years. Thus, the eventual fate of Revain is splendid, according to our Revain crypto cost expectations. Will Revain coin basically reach $1? In light of the new cost fall in our cost figure, Fire Up cost probably won't have the option to especially reach $1 before this decade's over. In this way, venture by then isn't fitting as it won't create a gain amazingly. Will Revain cost drop in an unobtrusive manner? As per the Revain figure and the new cost development, the Revain value fall might go on in the close to term in an unpretentious way. Likewise, sort of your ongoing speculation might be cheapened in the event that the cost drop is supported.